that. First of all, we're coming out of Egypt. We're coming out of our ego, out of the rejection, separation between us. This is the meaning of Exodus, exiting Egypt. Then we cross a boundary between Egypt and the land of Israel. The land of Israel is called desire, Eretz, from the word Ratzon, desire. Straight to the Creator. And between Egypt and the land of Israel, between these two desires, where Egypt is the egoistic desire, then the ego, the evil inclination, is ruling over us. And in order to pass to a desire that's entirely aimed at the Creator, we have to perform various corrections. It doesn't happen at once. This jump from a desire for itself, egoistic, to desire for the Creator. There has to be a departure. We have to leave through this boundary called the Red Sea, then receive the Torah, the upper light that will correct us gradually. And to spend 40 years in the Sinai desert, which is the time from the exodus from the ego, from Egypt, and all the way to the entrance to the desire to bestow, called the land of Israel. This is the desert, since there's nothing from which to derive pleasure, nothing to eat. It's very dangerous. You have to constantly move through it for 40 years. This means that we are going from Malchut to Bina. And all of it is by the reforming light called Torah. That's why at the beginning of the entrance to the desert, we have Mount Sinai, and then we're in a state called the Mountain of Hate, Sinai. And when we discover it, we acquire the upper light that begins to correct us, called Torah. And it's not happening all at once. But later we come to such desires that are all in order to bestow, which means that after 40 years in the desert, we enter, in hate, we enter connection called the land of Israel. This is our work gradually. So we have to do. Now we enter a time period that's right before the exodus from Egypt, and we're learning about what we have to do in order to come out of it. That's it.